What's up, guys? I'm Emmett Combs with Combs Premier. I'm standing right in front of 1147 Yachtsman Lane. This property originally started out as being a listing of ours, but after giving some options to the seller, they chose to sell it as is, which then it became more investor friendly because there's some things in this house that needs to get done, all right, for it to be financeable. So let's go and take a look. This is actually my second time to the property. It's my wife's first time, but look, let's go and take a look. All right, so this is the walkway to the house. I may keep this, I may not. I know we may add some landscaping, but let's go. So as we walk into the house, it's a 3-2. All right, so this is the living room area. This is the laundry room, washroom, and you have your garage. All right, so this is our garage area. Upon coming up in the garage, we have our AC unit that's sitting up in the ceiling, which we're gonna have to replace the AC now. These things last forever. These trains could be 20, 25 years old, as long as it's taken care of. Like, my AC guy can get this thing back working to its perfect condition. But again, look at the age, right? This is an old machine. So if you have a train, if you take care of it, you maintenance properly, these things can last forever. So just because it's 15 years old does not mean it's at the end of its life. We have a train that's like 25 years old and it's still running perfectly fine. And so again, it's about upkeep and maintenance. When you do the proper upkeep and maintenance, you make them last forever. All right, let's go. We have wash and dry, which, whoo, I love it, I like it. See, the guts and the bones of this house is perfect. We have a new roof already. It's a block foundation. All right, I mean, the overall condition of the house is nice and decent. I don't like the tile. Of course, you know that my preference of the tiles are large format, and I don't like, for instance, this, right? This is probably the only wall we'll remove in this house, just to give it an easy open flow here. I'm not gonna do anything with this wall in particular, so we're gonna cut it off here to open this part up, give it an open flow. Now, hold up, before we leave out of the kitchen, this right here, we had a leak from prior, before the roof was replaced. So after the roof was replaced, of course, it fixed this, but so this gonna have to be fixed. We also gonna look at removing the drop ceiling in the kitchen, open it up. These are not solid wood cabinets, so we're gonna replace all the cabinets in here. Of course, we're gonna upgrade the countertops, but I'm definitely looking to make this kitchen a lot brighter, all right? And I'll make it a lot modern, especially with the upgrades we're gonna do to the cabinets. Now, flowing into this living room area, I love the vaulted ceilings. All right, of course, I don't like carpet, but what I do like in here is the windows. We already got some new windows in the house, man, which is solid and good again, because this is Punta Gorda. We're over by Port Charlotte, so we're closer to the coastline. So having good, hurricane impact windows is really good protection for a house like this. What I do like about this living room area is that we have the sliding doors, 3-panel sliding doors that actually slides into the wall, so it really gives an easy, nice transition. You can't tell because they got the hurricane shutters up still right here, but if you come outside on the patio, man, there's so much potential with this house. All right, we have a countertop here, which of course we're gonna remove all this and add a quartz countertop here. You have the kitchen sink, so we may do something with some new cabinetry over there to give it a nice kitchen sink. But look, this transitions right from the indoor kitchen to the outdoor kitchen, and it slides all the way over. It's just like the sliding glass door. So man, this is gonna be nice for outdoor entertaining. Again, a nice transition from the living room over to the outdoor patio. We're probably gonna go ahead and do matching tile, whatever we do on the inside, we're gonna do on the outside. And we may do some aesthetically decorative design for the ceiling, but who knows, we may not. Let's go outside, let's look at this yard. So this is the backyard space, which is, we have a lot of land. It's a lot of yard space. I love it. We're in a cul-de-sac. So it's just, it's a great position. I think this is a great opportunity, a great pickup for an investor. I mean, honestly, it was a great house in itself. And I think with the proper upgrades, this would have been a great listing. But we're gonna go in, we're gonna do all the upgrades. But again, the yard's been well maintained. The yard actually goes way back here in the corner. We do have some overhead shots for someone dropping the video, but it goes all the way back in the corner, and it's surrounded by like a little inlet that goes out to the river that takes us to the actual ocean. I think it's like Pacific Harbor or something over there. But anyhow, let's go and finish checking out the house. So next we're gonna go over and look at the master bedroom, which is over on this side of the house. Now again, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, only 1,600 square feet, but it's a solid house. All right, so this is the master bedroom. Again, one of the things we're gonna do is we're gonna upgrade our lighting, make it brighter. This is the master bath. So a lot of people don't realize when it comes to countertops, right? There's different level countertops. This countertop right here, as you can see how low it is, all right? And so, of course, when we upgrade it, we're gonna bring the countertops up to where there'll be more waist height rather than like around my thighs, right? So a lot of times you don't pay attention to these details, but this is a very low countertop, but we're gonna upgrade this. One thing I needed to look at when I came here, I wanted to make sure that this master bathroom, the faucet wasn't on the exterior wall because the exterior wall is blocked. So it just makes it hard to access. And again, we're gonna replumb this house. All right, so when I checked the plumbing, all right, I noticed that all the fittings were copper. They were all copper fittings in all the bathrooms. So this house is ran with copper plumbing. So we're gonna replumb the house. And with that being said, we gotta replumb it through the attic. So again, it'll be hard to access the walls if that bathroom was on the exterior. So being that, oh man, hold up. I'm glad I looked at this. So now I got we got another question. Because these on the exterior wall, well, you know what? We'll be fine. We'll be fine with this. This is on the interior. I'm gonna take photos because this is on the exterior wall, but it's cool. It's cool because we can run pipes up the here, down through there. We can access it. So we're good. This is the master closet. You have a pocket door right here, which I'm not sure if it works or not, but let's see. Need some adjusting. But anyhow, we'll look at that. But this is a pocket door, master bathroom. Looks like they needed to access that faucet before. And that's where you see the sheetrock had been cut to access the faucet behind the tub. All right, now going on this side, what you see right here, this is an old intercom system, which we're gonna remove this. You know, this stuff is all outdated and we're just gonna remove it completely. This is one of the bedrooms, the guest bedrooms. Again, it's decent size. You know, we're gonna redo all the tile over here anyways, brighten it up with our paint color. This is a guest bathroom. I actually like the tub. The tub is actually pretty decent. So we may keep the tub and just enhance the tile that goes up. I know we're gonna redo, come with a different vanity here. And this is the last bedroom, which is again, it's a decent bedroom, decent size. You got a closet in that corner. And you know, once we upgrade the flooring, change the painting, enhance our baseboards, this house is going to be an immaculate house. There's a lot of potential here. It's not like a lot of, this house is not in the worst condition, not in the worst condition than the house we just renovated in Bartow. But look, you know, this is wrap up our tour. You know, we'll be giving you guys updates on the progress as we move forward with this property. Again, I'm Emmett Combs, man, your broker at Combs Premier Realty Group. If you know you are thinking about selling your house and your house needs some enhancements or some work, we would love to do a consultation with you. Make sure you reach out to us directly, 786-277-1190. And again, you know, just if you're thinking about selling your house, all right, you need some feedback or a consultation on upgrades or give you some options and solutions on ways to give you the highest and best, you know, possibilities for your house, or at least give us an opportunity to acquire it ourselves. All right, we'd love to have that conversation. Again, I'm Emmett Combs, and we'll see you soon.